But really, the only thing that everybody needs to think about is, depending on your time frame, the moving average is important. So if we're looking at big macro trades like monthly, weeklies, I'm obviously using a lower moving average because I'm day trading, right? Like basically, as long as we're trading above that and the moving average is doing this, it's these areas on the weekly or potentially the daily are the ones that I'm looking at, the retest areas of the moving average. Because then if this is the monthly, let's say this time frame, and I'm going down to the daily, so let's completely change the colors and use the daily in red. So, and I've got that similar type of pattern, and like it does something like that. That's the area, right, that I'm interested in for the long on that lower time frame, because that's the auction retest before we get the breakout. So that's why the moving averages have to match the time frames quite nicely, because I want the break into the moving average and the breakout, because the moving average isn't what I'm using to trade. It's just making sure that the edge is in my favor on both time frames. So literally
using
just
for that alignment.
That's it. So I'll write down the time frame so this is clear, right? So this is the month, and then this one is the day. So that's what I would want to see between them. I want to see the month looking really smooth, nice flow, looking like a river swimming in that tide, that direction. This one is going to be the more volatile one. So when we get that auction area test and that breakout of the auction area test, it's so simple, because this here gives our natural stop. Yeah, and then we're looking for that 2-to-1 target to the upside. It's giving you it. The market's giving you where the significant low point is if it rejects that auction. Something like this, you've got two moving averages, one on a higher time frame, one on a lower time frame. If you're trading above them on both, you're going to win. If you're going long, if you're short, you're trading below them, you only need to win 50% of the time. That's what I say, like a 5-year-old could do it, especially if you color them the way I color them. So I color them yellow for down and blue for up. So if we're under all the yellows, we're shorting. If we're above all the blues, we're going long, and we'll win 50% of the time, and we've proved that. So it really is that simple. The rest is in the mind, right?
I love that.